Y'all know what that means.
Huh?
Hey, y'all already know when we get together, we got something brewing.
Are you all right, sir?
What we got going on today, man?
About to go pick up the engine block.
The engine block, right?
For the Reaper.
For the Reaper, man. You gonna tell them how many horsepower we looking to try to make with that thing?
I'm trying to put 400 to the tire.
400 to the tire, y'all. This man put me through all this stuff, bruh. And we better make sure this thing make 400 to the tire, man.
Yeah, now I said
right?
it out loud now, bro. If I don't, you know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be a disappointment.
Sell out.
Yeah, man.
I gotta do it now.
Oh, man. Let me go ahead and we finna go ahead and go to this undisclosed place, go get this engine, man. Hopefully this man don't get me killed, but I know he ready.
It might not be undisclosed. We need to say where it's at.
I know, just in case if we don't. Just in case we don't make it back, right? God dog. Hey, but I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we on the way. See y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we gotta cut that B-roll because your boy suck at it. What we're gonna start doing on our trips, if I'm riding with somebody, it's gonna be whatever car we're driving in trivia. So since we're in the caravan, it's gonna be the caravan trivia. Oh my God. So we're gonna start with a couple, dang, shut up, Siri. First question is, if you had $1 million to spend on a car, what would you buy?
$1 million to spend just on a single car.
On a single car,
On
just one car. Either you can have, you got to spend up all that $1 million.
I got to spend up the whole million?
You got to spend up the whole $1 million. See, I had a brain fart, so yeah, please forgive me.
How much a Koenigsegg cost?
I had no clue. So if a Koenigsegg was $1 million, that's what you would get.
Probably, yeah.
That's what you'll get.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so
that's different. Nobody got that.
Yeah, ain't nobody really got that. Koenigsegg. All right, good answer, man. I like that.
Because people are gonna talk about like Bugattis and rap songs and all that. Yeah, everybody gonna have one of those.
Yeah. I pull up in my Bugatti.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Specialty, you know, like the whole world don't have it already.
Gotcha. All right. Question number 2. What is your favorite engine platform? Everybody already know what that is.
Everybody know that, yeah. It's the first-gen small block Chevy.
First-gen small block Chevy.
The sound and how easy they are to work on. Because, like, yeah, LSs are cool and everything, but the old school motors sound like NASCARs. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, when you rev them out.
Yeah, when you rev them out. Like, and I like that. So.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna stick to.
Awesome. All right, question number 3. If you had to trade the C10 in, or swap the C10 out for anything, what would you swap it out for?
Ooh, that is a crazy question. That is. I was gonna. Okay, something I would trade the C10 for. It would just be for another dream car.
Another dream car.
It would be another dream car. It would be the 1978 to 1981 Camaro.
Ooh.
That one. That right in that 4-year little threshold is where I want it. Yeah, that because the ones before that were kind of like kind of dorky.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like dorkier.
Yeah.
And then like by that time they really got the trim like
Yeah.
right. And the bumper and the tail lights was right, and it's like the middle between 2nd gen and 3rd gen. That's what I want.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So what was that? 3 questions? 4 questions?
That was 3. Yeah.
3 questions. All right, we got 1 more. Well, we'll do 2 more. The next question: which one do you prefer? Automatic transmission or manual?
That's a good one.
Manual.
I've never owned an manual, and I want to own a manual. So I feel like both of them have their place, you know, because I want to shift gears one day.
Yeah.
I want to have that one day. It's probably it's not gonna be today anytime soon. but yeah, I want that one day. I just feel like they both have their place. You know, for a drag car, automatic. For a road racing type car, you know, then manual.
Yeah.
Right?
And
it just depends.
yeah, and then the way the technology is now in automatics, it's amazing.
Yep.
How fast those cars shift.
You can't outshift.
So you can't really, you can't outshift the automatic.
Yeah.
All right. So the last one, last question. You ready for it?
Yeah. You don't even know what it is yet.
I don't. That's what I'm thinking. I'm trying. I'm stalling. I'm trying to think of something juicy. I got a couple ideas, but I'm trying to think of something juicy.
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't even got nothing, bro. God dog. What is your overall favorite automotive brand? Like American, European, exotic? Which one you would say is your favorite?
I don't think I have a favorite.
Don't have a favorite.
People are probably gonna be like, how is that possible when you're a young Chevy truck? But like, I don't really have a favorite because I feel like they all bring like certain things to the table that help for certain situations. You know what I'm saying? So like every brand has its like strongest point. Like for BMW, they make a mean inline 6.
Yeah.
Let's face it, there is no other car company of today that makes an inline 6 as good as BMW. You know what I'm
Exactly.
saying?
Yep.
A V8. Let's face it, bruh. Chevrolet, bruh. Chevrolet makes simple, effective engine platforms, bruh.
Yes.
Stuff that like the average Joe can work on and the average Joe can swap.
Yep.
Nothing against Ford, but that dual overhead cam stuff makes it complicated for me.
It
You know
does,
what I'm saying?
for sure.
So I would say Chevy in terms of like, you know, the small block V8, that's where you would want to go.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? And I can't think of another example, but like I feel like every car company just has its one like thing that it's good at.
Yeah.
You know,
Like
that's why I have no favorite.
like Audi with its all-wheel drive, you know, Mercedes with its appeal, you know, and performance. You know, everybody got their own lane, and I agree with him, man. You know, a lot of people, they're always like big Chevy fans, big Ford fans. I get it, but I can appreciate every car culture, to be honest with you, even on the tuner side. I didn't at first, you know, till I got my doors blown off by GTI. You know what I'm saying? You know, I was in my SRT. It wasn't a Scat Pack. It was a Scat Pack before the Scat Pack. But I got my doors blown off by GTI. And that just made things totally different for me when it came to you know, the appreciation of like the imports. And when me moving to Florida, you know, they were doing a lot of things with Hondas. And you know, write it in the book, y'all. I'm gonna do a Honda at one point. So at some point on the channel, I'm gonna do a Honda build. You know what I'm saying? Y'all might not like it. You know what I'm saying? I just wanna dive into all platforms and kind of, you know, taste and see what they have to offer. Just a little taste, you know what I'm saying?
Like a delicacy.
Just a delicacy, man, you know what I'm saying? You know, just a little bit, a little exquisite, you know what I'm saying?
What do they call it? Ribeye.
Ribeye, yes sir, or a little filet mignon, you know what I'm saying? Just a little exquisite. But looks like we're almost to our destination, y'all. Don't know if I'm gonna turn on the camera on these folks. Low key, I might bring out my phone. You know, just so we can have some type of footage. You know how people don't always like to be filmed, so you know what I'm saying. So you know, I like to give people their privacy. So I might just do a couple of B-rolls on the engine that we gonna get. But yeah, we almost there, y'all. We getting off the exit. See y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we here. I want to take document of where we at, so just in case
They find the footage.
yeah, they find this footage, y'all. They know where we at. Hey, we see a C10 over here. I ain't finna show them old folk, cause they might be like, hey, what them young and doing? But yeah, we somewhere in Noonan, y'all. Somewhere in Noonan. Y'all pray for us now. This man over here texting them now. Y'all see that ball of money in his hand, man. This boy finna throw it in his face, be like, look. We offering you 200. I know you said 250, man. You know, that's gonna be our haggling style, man.
We're just gonna have to take a look at we're gonna have to find stuff to say that's wrong with it.
Exactly. Or we could just be like, look, get your $200 and get going, boy.
I'll be there in 3 minutes.
Oh shoot! So he probably where his house at.
Yeah, his house probably right around the way.
So he probably got family around here, boy.
Yeah.
The whole family might pull up, y'all.
I guess I'm do that.
All right, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna cut on the. I might not even cut the. It's just gonna be dependent on the man and how he looking, man.
His vibe.
Yeah. If I pull out my phone or not, man. Oh shoot, I done got nerves, man. Why am I nerves when I talk to people every day? All right, I'm gonna cut y'all on later on.
Yeah, I'm getting nervous too. I ain't gonna lie to you.
He hit right off the line, right coming off the line.
Yeah.
And he thought he had 50 jets in it, but he had his dad put 125 jets in it. So off the line, he hit 125.
All right, y'all.
Yeah.
Look like it turned out pretty good. I put a couple images in, you know, not images, but y'all know what I'm talking about. And I put a couple shots from the phone. You know, we don't want to just come up at nobody's house and, you know, just be recording them. But we end up getting the engine stand, man. Engine stand and the engine. So I think it's you know, as long as it's not a boat anchor, I think we came out good, man. Came out good. Because even if the engine stand is the only thing that comes out good, most engine stands about like 150, 170.
Yeah, they are.
So,
exactly.
I mean, I think we came out pretty good with this, y'all. I did do a couple of, you know, shots of the engine, but I know Stone said he is going for 400. 400, and I need to put on my seatbelt because this van ain't playing. This van ain't playing at all.
Them Dodge vans ain't never
playing. Hey, y'all gotta be safe. Y'all gotta be safe. But pretty much, man, I think that's pretty much it, y'all. We're gonna head to the house, and you know, y'all have to go to his channel to see the build. I'm gonna do some on mine too. But thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.